Hi everybody, it's Lene. I want to give you a preview of the Paper Wishes Card Maker class number 1. This is the kit that you will be buying at Paper Wishes. There's a link for that below this video. And you will also receive, along with your kit, a link to an exclusive class video where you will be making cards and other projects along with me step by step. You can review it, you can watch it with a friend, pause it, take it at your own pace, but we're going to be building cards together. All right. They're going to be beautiful shimmery cards just like this one, using lots of inking techniques. I can't wait to show you the rest in the video. So let's take a look at what's in this kit that you will be purchasing for the class. You get this collection of gold embossed, gorgeous Color Me Fern card toppers. They are, as I said, gold embossed, and the paper is meant to take a lot of inking and a lot of techniques. So you get 2 of each one of these designs. 2 of the ferns, 2 of the labels, 2 of the collage, and then 1 each of these tags. One has printing on them and the other ones are blank, in case you like that. You also get 10 blank cards, 10 envelopes, a sheet of watercolor paper, 2 ink pads. These ink pads are dye-based ink, and they are meant to be either used just as they are, or we can use them with water and do all kinds of great watercolor techniques with them. Let's see, did I mention the sheet of watercolor paper? And you also get these wonderful little mini blending brushes. We're going to be doing lots of blending and shading. And also a double-ended jewel picker, which is so handy because you also get a full sheet of teal dazzle stickers. Now there's a few things that you'll need to provide. We're going to give you a full sheet of 400 foam tape squares, but you're also going to need to provide your own adhesive, like your own favorite glue. So it could be glue, liquid glue, glue stick, tape runner, whatever is your favorite. You also need a pair of scissors, a small bowl of water. A hair dryer or a heat gun is nice, okay? You don't have to have it, but it is handy to have. And then something to protect your work surface. I'm going to be using like a craft mat, but you could use a plastic bag or something like that because we're going to get kind of messy. So I hope you buy this kit and join me and watch that link, and we'll have fun in the class. So come play with us.